his neck scruff.
Gentle with Wyatt. Wyatt, you're such a good boy. You're such a good boy. You are such a patient puppy. Okay, gentle with Wyatt.
Over the top, Jack.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go back in your box.
Jack's back in the box.
Jack loves that dog.
Oh yeah, he loved that, didn't he? That's funny.
Now he's like PO'd.
He's like, get me out of this box.
I want my dog.
Seriously. Jack starts. You hair in your mouth.
Oh, he has hair in his mouth.
Let's go see Wyatt again.
Gentle with the puppy.
Watch out for the puppy.
Look at him. It's light.